Trixie, play the ukulele.
It's really good, Jess.
Whoa. Good job.
Fun, isn't it? Wow.
Good job, Deb. Oh, there we go. That's better. That's better. You play.
Fine.
Play for us.
Yeah.
Good job. You play.
Really
Oh,
good.
okay. Do you do it on the floor now?
Yep.
Oh, come on now.
like a guitar? Okay, gentle. Gentle, you play with Emmy. You play. You play us a song. Yeah, I know. I see. Okay. Okay. Oh, whoa. All right. Play us one more song. Play us one more song. Okay.
Really good.
Wow.
Oh. Got the ukulele there. Yeah. Can bring it back to Emmy and play a song.
Thank you. Oh, no.
Okay. Good catch, Em. All right. You play us a song.
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah, hold it like.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Good job. Oh, okay. I think we're done.